Ekiombe yokuruania obokurumi ya EACC imeya Kisii orosagia Rwanyanza umubasolero nigo bamubeka bya radio Simon Onyari uyorenge osore umuriki bwe bunge ye county ya Nyamira asokwe bwaterania amone bikole byobokurumi asogosira wekibesa kire shilingi million 30 echo chialenge chokoroisia chabisije bunge ye county ya Nyamira omoteneneri bwekiombe egya EACC asorosagia Rwanyanza Alfred Chuga nigabereka gotababuna abakageru abo nigo bale batano na babere ase gwikira rero nigo babere bakubekwa byara ase Duke Onyari arachiwekiwa bosibwe kigambero aboli tuko lya ankyo.
My name is Alfred Mwachuga. I'm the regional manager of South Nyanza Regional Office of EACC. Now, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission received a report that alleged irregular procurement and award for the construction of an office block to Getembe administered by the County Assembly of Nyamira. So investigations were done, and we had established that the County Government of Nyamira, County Assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Getembe Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to conferring of a benefit of 30,817,396 to Jeta Contractors Limited. So upon investigations and conclusion of investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges on the following persons. One, Mr. Duke Simon Onyari, who is the clerk, Nyamira County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the deputy clerk, stroke director, finance and accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombego, who is the deputy clerk, stroke director, legal services. Ms. Joyce Onyengo, who is the director, monitoring, evaluation and development at Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru, who is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Onguti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure Officer. One of the suspects was arrested on 19th March and arraigned in court in Nyamira. So today, we managed to arrest the clerk who has been on the run. They have gone to several courts seeking anticipatory orders. They have actually been trying to avoid the court process, but as we normally say, serikali na nini ina mkono mrefu. So we managed to arrest him today. We are processing him, and tomorrow we will be arraigning him in court. And therefore, I want to urge the other suspects, okay, the other 5 suspects who are remaining, to present themselves to EACC for processing, for them to be arraigned in court accordingly. That's what I can tell you for today.